The ultimate Funbibi clothing reviews tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're hunting for trendy and affordable fashion, most people get this wrong by assuming every online store is the same. The surprising truth about Funbibi clothing is that it blends unique designs, affordability, and casual style for everyday wear. First, explore the collections. You won't believe how many options are available. Tops, dresses, activewear, and accessories all feature vibrant patterns and current trends. Next, check sizing guides. Most people get this wrong by guessing sizes. Funbibi provides detailed charts and customer feedback to help ensure your clothes fit comfortably and look great. Look at materials and quality. The surprising truth is that many items use soft, durable fabrics suitable for daily wear, making them both stylish and practical. Finally, rate user reviews. You won't believe how insightful they are. Customers share thoughts on color accuracy, material feel, and overall satisfaction, giving you a clear picture before buying. In conclusion, Funbibi clothing can take you from zero to pro in finding stylish, affordable, and comfortable outfits. By exploring collections, checking sizes, assessing quality, and reading reviews, you make informed choices that enhance your wardrobe. Smart shopping ensures trends without compromising fit or comfort.